Hello and welcome to the RTM Pro tutorial series. In this video, we'll talk about the settings where the key parameters are defined for RTM Pro to operate effectively. I'll show you the interface while explaining the features. Let's start with the record ID, identifying each record within your database. It has to be unique and therefore often a counter is used. The time variable is used in all the functions to extract the data. Make sure it is configured correctly, as it plays a key role in all the filtering and analysis. The serial link identifies a part or a unit. It doesn't have to be unique, but it's also used to link all the tables together. And a lot of functions order the results by ordinal value, which is set up here, and it is recommended to use the same as the date column for consistency. That also concludes the most essential setting of RTM. While this is already defined by default on the first startup, it's highly recommended to review and adjust it according to your specific requirements. Then on the optional settings, we have machine grouping, which is used for performance analysis, and we'll talk about that in the performance tutorial. Here you identify stations that are duplicated. And in the date 2, you specify a checkout date for cases where you have check-in and checkout available. Then this column identifies a product or a model for changeover analysis. And last but not least is the status with the quality information for each and every station or table. For quality analysis, obviously. The default table is the first table to be shown on a fresh start of RTM. And max data are the maximum number of points shown in every graph. Just bear in mind that if you set this to 8,000, but your actual data set has 10,000 points, you will only see the first 8,000 points in your graph. The purpose here is to ensure performance on all the platforms where RTM can be used. And then you have here the Y by category mode. Again, we talk about that in a different tutorial, but this is how the results will be sorted to be shown to the user. And if you enable the alias, you allow the local user to set up own names for tables, but also for variables. So as you see, the setting is critical for RTM to operate and for all the functions to work as they should. So make sure you check it out before you start. That concludes today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.